In this question, we're given that Corey's driving from her home at a constant speed all the way to Sudbury. We're given that as soon as she starts driving, she sees a sign that says Sudbury is 540 kilometers away. That means the total distance from her home to Sudbury is 540 kilometers. Then we're given that after 2 hours, she sees another sign that says that Sudbury is 360 kilometers away. And we could say the sign was about there. So as soon as she starts driving, the sign says Sudbury's 540 kilometers away. After 2 hours, the sign says Sudbury's 360 kilometers away. That means the distance from the second sign to Sudbury is 360 kilometers. And therefore, if we subtract the total distance, 540, from 360, we can get the distance from her home to the second sign. So 540 minus 360 is 180 kilometers. Now we also know, again, that the time it takes for her to get from her home to the first sign is 2 hours. And again, we're told that right here. And what we have to find out then is the time, how much time will it take Corey to drive to Sudbury from the second sign. So what we're asked to find out is this time right here. And because we're told that she is driving at a constant speed and that she continues to drive at the same speed to Sudbury, we can take this part here and make it a proportion. Now we know that speed is distance divided by time. Or if you like, you can use the units. That's kilometers per hour. So again, because Corey drives at a constant speed, we can say that 180 kilometers in 2 hours will be in the same proportion as the 360 kilometers in t hours. Now what we have to do is solve for t. And just to reiterate again, this will give us the speed for her first part of her trip here, and this will give us the speed for the second part, and because they are at the constant speed or the same speed, these two will equal each other. Okay, to solve for t, we can do cross products. So that means 180 times t is at 180t equals 2 times 360, which is 720. I need to get t by itself, so I need to divide both sides by 180. And when we do that, the 180s cancel, leaving with t on the left side. And then on the right side, the zeros cancel. 18 goes into itself once and goes into 72 4 times. So t is equal to 4. And the units would be hours because time is given in hours. So if we look down our options, we can see that D is the right answer.